In this video, I'm going to show you how you can refund games on Steam. So it can be necessary to refund games on Steam if you have bought them by accident or they have any technical issue. And I'm going to show you step by step how to refund these games. So first of all, what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open Steam on your PC. And once you have done that, if you see at the upper side of your screen, you will be able to see this option named as Help. So you're going to click on this Help option, and then you will be able to see here the first option as Steam Support. So you're going to click on that. And once you do so, you're going to scroll down, and then you will be able to find here the product or the game which you have bought. So you're going to click on the game which you want to refund. And once you do so, you're going to scroll down, and then you will be able to see here this section, which is what problem you are having with this product. And as you can see here, you have different options, but I'm going to suggest you to go with either first option, which is it's not what I expected, or the third option, which is I purchased this by accident. Or you can also change the reason later. So you can just go with any of these reasons from here. And then you're going to scroll down and you will be able to see here two more options. The first one is help me fix gameplay or technical issues. And the second one is I would like to request a refund. As we need a refund for this game, we're going to go with the second option, which is I would like to request a refund. And once you click on that, it's going to ask you to choose a method, how you want to have your money back. So probably you're going to have two options. The first option is refund to my Steam wallet, and the second one is refund to the payment method through which you paid for this game. In my case, it's my MasterCard. So you can just click on any of these options. You can also change these later. And once you click on that, this is the final page. As you can see here, first of all, you have the game which you want to refund, and this is the amount which will be refunded back to you. And once you scroll down, you will again be able to see here the reason why you are refunding this game. And at the last, you have the notes, which is the description of this refund. So you're just going to explain here briefly why you want to refund this game. And once you have just type in here the description, you can click on submit request. And once you click on submit request, they will respond you to your email, which is attached to the Steam account. So you're going to go ahead and click on submit request. And as you can see here, our refund has been requested. And if you want to cancel this refund anytime, you can just click on cancel refund request. So this is how you can refund games on Steam.